Hey there, future creators! Welcome to Easy Brizi, where we simplify the world of technology for you. Today, we're diving into the exciting universe of 3D printing. Now, if that sounds complex, don't worry. We're going to unravel this creative journey in the simplest way possible. If you're new here, don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest content. Let's get started! Introduction to 3D printing. You know how you stack Lego blocks one over the other to create a structure? Well, 3D printing works in a similar way. It stacks ultra-thin layers of material to form a solid object. Amazing, right? 3D printing is like building with Lego, but instead of blocks, you're using layers of material. The magic of 3D printing. The world of 3D printing is boundless, just like your creativity. You can create anything from simple bookmarks to intricate jewelry, personalized phone cases to complex sculptures. The only limit is your imagination. The future of 3D printing is as unlimited as the imagination itself. Easy Brizi. 3D printers for beginners. Choosing a 3D printer might seem overwhelming, but it's just like picking a smartphone. You need to consider factors like ease of use, affordability, and the quality of prints it can produce. We'll delve into this topic in more depth in a future video, so stay tuned. Selecting a 3D printer is similar to picking a smartphone. Consider your needs, budget, and desired quality. Materials for 3D printing. Different materials suit different projects. Just as you wouldn't make a sturdy hiking boot out of cotton, you wouldn't print a delicate piece of jewelry with a robust plastic. Your choice of material can range from plastics like PLA or ABS to more exotic materials like wood or metal composites. Choose your printing material based on the project's needs, much like choosing the right fabric for a piece of clothing. The 3D printing process. 3D printing might seem like magic, but the process is quite simple. You start with a digital design, like a blueprint for a house. Then, the printer takes over, layering material like a bricklayer until your design comes to life. 3D printing is like building a house. It all starts with a blueprint, and then the printer does the construction. Safety precautions. While 3D printing is fun and creative, it's important to remember safety. It's like cooking. You wouldn't touch a hot pan without protection, right? Always ensure you're using your 3D printer in a well-ventilated area and handling equipment with care. Safety doesn't happen by accident. Unknown. Conclusion. So, are you ready to let your creativity flow in the 3D world? Remember, every masterpiece starts with a single step, or in this case, a single layer. Don't be afraid to experiment and make mistakes. That's how you'll learn and grow. And before you go, don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful, hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and click the bell icon to get notified about our future videos. Share your thoughts, ideas, or questions in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. Until next time, keep creating. Next time, we'll dive deeper into selecting the perfect 3D printer for beginners and walk you through your first 3D print. You won't want to miss it. Remember, every layer you print brings your ideas closer to reality.